Hola familia, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys all so much for the continuous love and support. Your girl truly does appreciate it. If you are new here to the channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit the little subscribe button along with the little notification bell. That way you are aware of any time that I do post anything related to beauty, self-care, lifestyle, all that good stuff. Just come join my little familia right here on YouTube. Also, and like always, I do want to send my love, many blessings and positive vibes for everyone. I hope that everyone's staying strong, clear-minded, healthy throughout these crazy times right now. So yeah, just much love to everyone. And yeah, let's jump right into it. Today I am doing the unboxing from FabFitFun of fall 2020. I'm super excited for this one. FabFitFun, I don't know, it gets me really excited because it's not just like a beauty subscription box. It has so many other things. Usually it has like home decor, things to work out, lifestyle, makeup, skincare, all that good stuff. It's pretty much in this box. So yeah, if you don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a quarterly subscription box. Like I said, it entails everything that I just mentioned, and everything in there is usually full size, which is very nice. The subscription is $49.99. Basically, like I said, every 3 months. It's quarterly, so you can either do it for $49.99. You can pay every time that you get the box, or you can pay like $180 for 4 boxes for the whole entire year. So that's nice. If you are interested in one of the boxes, I know that I get a $10 off a monthly box, so I will go ahead and link that at the bottom if you do want to check it out and get $10 off your first box. To just give it a shot, I'll link the little thing below for you guys. So this is what the box looks like this month. Now I'm super excited about this one. I don't know if any of you guys can tell, but it looks like FabFitFun is going environmentally friendly, guys. So that's really nice to know. I know that a lot of people are trying to do that, but it's nice to know that a big subscription box like this one is doing the same thing. So one of the things that I wanted to mention with it is that they replaced basically like the white package that they were using before and all the insides to 100% recycled craft box paper, like I said, inside and out. Another thing that they mentioned is that the box sizes. This box usually used to be a little bit bigger. So depending what you have in your box for that month, you might get a larger box, a smaller box, a medium box. They have different sizes now, opposed to just one big one full of a whole bunch of stuff in there that basically to fill up the gaps. So it's nice that they decided to do that. Also, they went less on ink, which basically is a reduction of long-term greenhouse gas emissions. So of course that's a plus. So overall, like I said, it's just nice to know that they're going environmentally friendly, saving trees, saving water, reducing long-term greenhouse gas emissions. So I just think it's pretty dope. So let's just go ahead and crack this baby open, and this is what it looks like inside. I'm digging the box this month. Actually, I really like it, and it's very fallish. I love the fall. If anybody that knows me knows I love the fall. I miss the fall. Come from New York, and I just feel like on Long Island, I miss the seasons, and this is definitely one of my favorite ones. So it kind of makes me bummed that I'm here in South Florida sweating my ass off, but it is what it is. All right, off top, what I do see is something is $45 credit to Bright Sellers, which is basically a wine personalization thing right here. This is what this one looks like, followed by a pass this on to a friend who would love FabFitFun. So this one is actually kind of cool. It's a $15 off your first FabFitFun box. So what I'm going to do, since I already have that, I said $10 before off mine, but this is a $15 one. So I will go ahead and post that at the bottom of the description box. So check it out. I guess, I don't know if it's only one time you can use it, but if you're interested, go ahead and use that. And right here I have 10 free meals from HelloFresh with a purchase. It says I have not used HelloFresh before, but I have heard good things about that. And like always, it does come with like our little booklet, FabFitFun. It basically just talks about you know, what's going on, not in the world necessarily, but just like as far as like fashion, style, different ideas for home decor. Like I literally just said that. Fall home decor tips. Actually, I'm lying. It does talk about worldwide stuff like ending hunger in America, just different resources. It gives you some recipes, pumpkin spice recipes, some style stuff, just a little bit of everything, which is kind of cool. And also at the beginning, it does show you the products that are going to be in your box, along with what they actually retail for and what they do. So I'm going to leave this open here, and let's go ahead and move to the first thing in the box. Here we have this little thing, I don't know, by the brand Jenny Bird. The packaging is super, super cute. It's like a little velvet bag. And what do we have here? Oh, this is so cute. Okay, I do remember this was a customization. This is what this one looks like. I remember that in this customization order, there really wasn't anything that I was too excited for. So I'm pretty sure I did pick this because I kind of been in a silver kick lately, which I thought would be kind of something different to have. So this is what it looks like. It almost looks like a long teardrop. And it's actually kind of cute. I may wear it sometime soon, but I'm not really sure. So let me go ahead and tell you guys what that retails at. Guys, I just looked it up because I couldn't find it in the book. You kind of have to just look for it. It says that Jenny bird is called the Leanna pendant, and it's a hand-formed drop, delicately hangs on stamped, high-polished curved chain, and it's layered with a box chain. It retails at $115. Why? I have no idea because it's cute, but it's not that cute. But yeah, $115 is the first item in the box. So moving on here, we have a couple of little clips. This is by the brand 8 Other Reasons. Okay, and as you can see, there are 3 different colors. They kind of look like a little marble color. Let me just pull out one. So this is what it looks like. And I guess they're just like simple little clips that you can put on your hair like that. I'm pretty sure that I actually did customize these as well. Just so you do know, if you're not a member, you do get a couple of different customizations if you want to. I don't know, some people like to know what they're putting inside their box. So this is this one here. Okay, so that one is the Runway Clip Trio, and that one retails at $32. Okay, moving on here, we have something by the brand The Laundress New York. It is removes wrinkles. What is this for? I have no idea. Okay, so it basically says spray item 6 inches away. So it looks like this is for clothing. Let me go ahead and get the details of this, but this is what this packaging looks like. Okay, and this is a product that I've definitely never seen in a box or ever at all. At first, I thought it said like removes wrinkles off your face. I was about to like go crazy with this all over my face, but it's wrinkles off clothing. So this says it easily removes and moderates wrinkles from clothing and fabrics with the spray, especially when ironing isn't an option. This one retails at $16, so it's actually pretty cool. So I guess if you do have some wrinkles on your clothing, it'd be nice to just kind of, I guess, put it on, and it's supposed to diminish those wrinkles, which is pretty cool. Ooh. Yeah, it doesn't smell so good, but they do say that if something does not smell that good, it's probably usually because it works. I'm going to try this out. If you guys want to know how it works, let me know, but this is the 3rd item in the box. Moving on here, we have something by the brand Height, and this is Tranquility Sleep Mist. This is what the packaging on this one looks like, and basically it looks like it's supposed to promote calmness. All right, this is what this one looks like, and this one retails at $22, and it says that it has witch hazel, lavender oil, and rice water that creates a tranquil sleep environment, which is kind of nice, I guess, if you do have difficulty sleeping, which I know I do. It's nice to kind of just, I guess. Okay, yeah, definitely lavender smell. Lavender definitely helps promote sleep, so that's kind of good. It says, before bed, mist around your pillows and sheets to create a calming environment. Hold 8 inches away from your face and body to relax and soothe the skin. So that's pretty cool. I know that I've taken like, you know, used some of like the essential oils, and that's kind of what it reminds me of, only in a mist. So I guess it's different. I want to see some more fall stuff. Like, I don't know, so far I'm kind of like, whatever, you know, like where's the rest of the good stuff? Okay, so here we have something by the brand Beauty Repair. This is a golden superfood antioxidant shower gel. This is what this packaging right here looks like. It says a scrumptious shower gel is made with a blend of golden superfood ingredients. It retails at $30. This is what the packaging looks like. Let's go ahead and give it a little smell. I'm really hoping that it smells something fall-like, because so far I don't smell no fall. Honestly, not really crazy about the smell. It's crazy because it does say that it has pumpkin, argan, apricot, orange, and aloe vera. I just smell, I don't know. It doesn't smell good to me. I can't even describe the smell, but it smells like a bad fruit or something like that. I don't know. But basically, I guess this is it's supposed to leave your skin feeling super energized. I don't know if I'm really going to be using it like that, but I guess that's something else in the box. Moving on over here, we have something by the brand Gloss Medics, and this is a hair removal device. I do remember hearing about this one in there, and I think I did pick this as my customization. Let me find out the details. So this one says instantly and painlessly sweep away unwanted hair to any area of your body, and it retails at $59.99. I've been hearing about, you know, like hair removal things, and I feel like it's worth a shot. You know, I used to do laser hair removal under my arms, and it worked. Like my hair got really fine, but I stopped going, and obviously the hair does grow back, but it's actually a lot finer than what it used to be. But I always wanted to just continue with it, so I thought this would be kind of cool. I don't know what that is. Okay, so this is what the little aparato, the little device looks like. Hold on, let me pull it out of here. It comes with a battery, and this is what it is. So I don't know much about this one. I'm assuming that it does need a battery or something like that. Yep. Oh, well, duh. I literally just said it needs a battery. So yeah, so I guess I want to review this. I want to check it out. If you guys are interested in this at all, let me know. Basically it says that it will painlessly and instantly swoop away unwanted hair from any area of your body. It's discreet, portable, and easy for you to carry anywhere, and it does not irritate your skin or damage your skin. So yeah, I guess that's kind of cool. I definitely want to give this one a shot. If you guys want to see it, let me know. Comment down below. Moving on to the next thing in the box, we have something here by Mason Tops, and this looks like it's a mason jar hydration kit. This is what the little packaging looks like. So this is what it looks like. So basically it says off here, it says that it retails at $35. It says that ditch the plastic and offer this sleek glass bottle which holds up to 20 ounces. So yeah, I guess you can kind of remove this. This feels a little soft, kind of a little cushion. It gives you the ounces right here, which is nice. Yeah, it is like a little mason jar. Only thing is that you can actually pop the lid off and drink from here. So that's kind of cute. I mean, it is what it is. I mean, I have some of those already, so I'm not really crazy about it, but whatever. Okay, moving on to the final thing in the box. It looks like I have a little bag, which I'm kind of confused about because if I remember correctly, I did customize this order, and this is not the bag that I chose. So I'm a little confused as to why they send this one. It was supposed to be the backpack, but they send this one, I guess, instead. It's all right, you know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy. It's like a big bag, actually. It's pretty decent size. So the inside looks like that. There's no pockets. Oh yeah, there's like a tiny little zipper and little pockets on the outer side. And along on the side of it, I guess it has another little, I don't know if this is just for show, because every time I bring this down, nothing happens, doesn't open. I don't know, but anyway, this is what the bag looks like. Let me go ahead and tell you what that one retails at. Okay, so this one is by the brand Bakir New York Bomb Tote, and it says use a spacious carry-all to hold your laptop, makeup bag, and more without weighing you down. This one retails at $128. I think that's bananas. I would never pay $128 for that. The one that I wanted, I actually see right here. It's supposed to be this one, and that one retails at $100. So I'm kind of disappointed in that. I don't know if I should contact them because I actually did want the other one. Okay, so final thoughts on this. I'm really disappointed, honestly. I usually do look forward to FabFitFun. I was actually super excited about this one because I love the whole environmental friendly concept this month. Like I said, I do love the fall. I love the things. I feel like they really didn't give me anything that reminded me of the fall. No fall vibes, no smells, no candles, no nothing. I don't know. I'm kind of just like, all right, whatever. Thankfully, I do have some add-ons that I did add to the box. I do have those, but I'm gonna make a separate video. There's not a lot of items, but I just didn't want to make this one super long. So I'm gonna go ahead and film a separate video where I will show you guys the add-ons, tell you guys what they retail at, and the percentage that I did get them off. So look forward to that one. As far as this one, yeah, I'm kind of like, whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and add up the box and see exactly how much it comes out to. Okay guys, so after doing the numbers and everything, the box retails at $437.99. So $438. Would I pay $438? Hell no, that's insane. I guess what's kind of cool is that, like, for instance, I pay $180 for the whole entire year, and you do get 4 boxes, and each individual box is supposed to retail over $200. So it's well above that, which is pretty cool. But at the same time, like I said, I really wish they would have made this one a little bit more fall friendly. I'm kind of just like whatever about it. Honestly, I would probably throw a lot of stuff in a giveaway or just give it for gifts, or, you know, we'll see. But anyway, what do you guys think about the box? And if you have gotten it already, share, I don't know, let me know what you guys think about yours. Did you guys get the whole fall vibe? You know, because I didn't. But anyway, there's nothing we could do about it. Let's move forward. Thank you guys so much for all your continuous love and support. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. And let me know if you want to see or hear anything else video-wise. Also, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram as well. I'd love to have you there, as I post a lot of content on there as well. So thank you guys so much. Have a great day. Stay blessed and stay healthy. Ciao.